you use Master Trust for trading or investing and want to calculate your capital gains taxes easily in seconds? Then this video is for you. ClearTax makes the tax filing process very easy for you by giving your capital gains summary, auto-calculating your taxes, and automatically selecting the correct ITR form you're supposed to file. Now, to file the capital gains on ClearTax, firstly log into your Demat account and enter your credentials. Then navigate to the My Reports from the menu bar and then click on More Reports from the list of all the options. To download the report for equity, click on the Short Long-Term Capital button. Here, you need to select the current financial year or quarter and ensure that the firm details are selected and choose the option of Inclusive Charges. Now, to download the report, click on the Excel icon. Similarly, you need to download the report for the derivatives as well. Firstly, go to the Global Reports section and click on Derivatives Global option. Here, you need to select the financial year quarter and under the method type, choose the option of Options Closing Includes Charges. Then, click on the Save or Print icon to download the report. The next step is to log into your ClearTax account, head over to the Income Sources, navigate to the Capital Gains section and click on Add Details. Select Master Trust from the list of all the brokers and click on Browse Files and upload all the tax P&L report one by one and click on Proceed. After uploading, ClearTax will then read your reports to automatically fill details of your capital gains. You can click on the View Entry Details to get a detailed report of your capital gains. Here you can see all your long-term capital gains and here you can see details of your short-term gains. That's how easy it is to calculate your capital gains taxes on ClearTax.